Hey, what's up? This is my Sunsuu royalty review. Luke and I have been very busy, my business partner, Luke Bowles. We've been very busy getting this to you, and it's finally here. Okay, so if you're watching this, that means it's live. Okay, where should I begin? This thing is massive. The amount of value that is in this tool that's going to enable anyone to, and quickly too, enable anyone who has this tool to get into those EDU educational markets quickly and easily is unparalleled. Yeah, unparalleled. I got gum in my mouth, excuse me. Right now, as I'm making this video, nothing else comes close, in my humble opinion. Maybe that wasn't a humble statement, but I'm hard pressed to find something else that does what Sunsuu does. So let me give you a quick breakdown. There's dark mode, there's light mode, bright mode. You can create books in bulk. This is straight out FE front end. You don't have to get any upgrades to create books in bulk, which is beautiful. You can do it at a more detailed level, page by page, if you wish. Okay, so let's go to bulk. Okay, and if you scroll down here, you'll see all of these different presets. Now think of these math workbook presets as individual niches that you can go after, or you can combine them and create like an activity book, an educational math activity book, if you so choose. I mean, there's so much here to go over. Let me show you quickly how this works. Let me scale myself down a bit. And let's go with balance equations. Look at that. Okay, let's say I want to create a book of, let me see, a book of let's create a book of 30 pages. This also automatically includes the solutions, of course. I'm going to click add to queue. Okay, and let me go down here to generate all 30 pages. Let me overwrite anything. Okay, and there you go. Okay, and the solutions are in the back. I'll show you once I download this. Now, you also want to add, if you want to add blank sheets, just click blank and click the plus button. You can add that at any part of the workbook. Let's say I want to add a blank page here. Boom. I want to get rid of that though. You want to create what I call the essential pages. If you know a better word, let me know. Create your essential pages, which is really cool. Essential pages basically it's your copyright, instructional. Those are your essential pages. So I'm going to create my instructional right now. Boom. Now, if you want to add your own instructional, you just gotta click, for example, X out, go to blank, click plus, click text. You can create your own instructional. Okay, so you do as you wish. You just if you want, you can go to ChatGPT, free ChatGPT, Gemini for free. Ask it to give you a one-page tutorial or instructional written guide on whatever niche you want to go after, and just copy and paste it right here. Okay. Also, but let's just use the one that we have here right now. Okay, just like that. Also, copyright, really important. Just click copyright, click plus, and you want to make sure that your title page, book cover, title, and the one that you have listed on Amazon is all the same. Okay, so let's put this Ike's amazing math work book. Click OK. And it's gonna create the copyright page really quick. Well, let's wait together and I'll show you what I mean. It takes time a little bit. There we go, just like that. Okay. Once we're done with that, we're gonna click export. Okay. And you have so many solutions here. I mean, so many options here. I like to go single PDF. I really shouldn't be chewing gum when making videos, but here we are. Okay, and it's going to export it for me. Now, this is all, again, front end, okay? Nothing's keeping you back. There's no missing pieces at all. Okay. Click save, and we have our book. We have our interior. Okay. And this is a fun book for kids. Here are the solutions in the back, as you can see. Okay. And that's how this works. Very quick, very easy. And again, I know I'm repeating myself, but all of these, excuse me, let me scroll back down here to bulk. All of these are different niches. Now, some are greater than others. For example, fractions is a huge market, and base 10 blocks. I made a video about base 10 blocks a little bit ago. And this isn't as big, but definitely a market, right? So, anyways, that's how easy it is to enter any of these markets now. Okay. Nothing is holding you back. The goal that Luke and I have is to get as many people as possible to be product creators, to sell their own products on the world's biggest buyer search engine traffic platform. Okay. And again, we put a lot into this, and we hope that people realize and they make use of it. And all our past solutions, all of them, without fail, have helped many people earn online. We get testimonials all the time, and this should be no different. Okay, so if you're watching this, scroll down, click the link, and get access as soon as you can, and make sure you lock in at the current cost. Okay, this is a one-time payment currently, and there's no subscriptions. This is, again, all yours for a nominal fee. Let me know your thoughts and opinions down below. If you're a tester, if you already have it, I want to know. Okay, give me your honest opinion, your thoughts. Okay, the customization is really cool. If you want to go page by page, if you want to do it in bulk like myself and like many others, you have that option as well. So yeah, that's it. So if you're watching this on Facebook, please hit the thumbs up button. That means a lot. If you're watching this on YouTube, check out the links below, and please like and subscribe if you find value in this. Okay. Thank you very much. Be good. Take care and have a wonderful day. Actually, I like the dark mode myself. Be good.